Dashcam madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Such rude behaviour from that guy for not looking out for the motorcyclist.
A few moments later.
Driving in the wrong direction can cause a serious accident.
Wow. There's no sadder sign of the times than that, huh? Men are out there.
This motorcyclists have a death wish overtaking like that. Check your mirrors for more than half a second.
Just dropping the kids off at the airport. Whitehall, let me get this close to the White House back there. I should have just did it.
This driver ran a stop and likely totaled my wife's car. This driver randomly pulls out in front of me in a truck in the middle of the intersection.
Then I come up with the Terence root of C equaling D.
The irritating thing is, I waved at them apologetically, automatically assuming I'd been the idiot until I stopped and thought about it. This idiot rear-ends my multicam equipped car and then hit and runs. Nothing like flying by in a closing lane. Roundabouts need to be practiced before getting a driver's license in America. Did you see that? They're an inch away from hitting that car. Am I the idiot here, or is it all of us? Or just the flasher, or someone else? I bet this guy can't even track his own car unless he's going in a straight line. You'll see the main idiot at the end. Just wait for it. Another one who doesn't know anything about roundabouts. This selfish driver who doesn't check their mirrors. A professional driver doesn't need to be able to see where they're going. This is the worst place to cut people off to take an exit. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.